Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal sweet. First, select your favorite type of oatmeal, whether it's quick cooking, rolled, or steel-cut oats. Next, prepare your oatmeal using either water or milk, following the package instructions carefully. A good starting point is usually 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid. Remember to add a tiny pinch of salt while it cooks. This simple step truly elevates all the other flavors you'll be adding, creating a more balanced and delicious base for your sweet oatmeal. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, natural sweeteners. Maple syrup, honey, and agave nectar are excellent choices, each offering a unique flavor profile. Begin by stirring in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener per serving of cooked oatmeal. For a different kind of natural sweetness, try mashing in half a ripe banana or adding a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. These fruit options not only sweeten, but also add a lovely texture and extra nutrients to your breakfast bowl. Beyond just sweetness, you can significantly enhance your oatmeal's overall flavor and texture. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a dash of pure vanilla extract can add wonderful warmth and depth. For a delightful chewiness, mix in a handful of dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, or finely chopped dates. If you crave some crunch, sprinkle in a tablespoon or 2 of chopped nuts such as almonds or walnuts, or even some chia seeds for a subtle textural boost. These additions make every spoonful more interesting. To achieve your perfect bowl of sweet oatmeal, always taste it before adding more sweetener. This helps prevent it from becoming overly sweet. Adjust the amount of maple syrup, honey, or fruit gradually until it perfectly matches your personal preference. For an extra touch of indulgence and richness, consider stirring in a small pat of unsalted butter or a splash of your favorite milk or cream right before serving. Enjoy your perfectly sweetened, warm, and comforting bowl of oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.